Don is out. Off to the next float move. Just gotta move a roller for our friends at Hawkins. All right, we'll get the more clamp unhooked. Cooler, baby. That's the ticket.
After we go back, Ray, can you grab the briefing?
Setting up the tent.
Today is warranted.
Today is a warranted day to set up the tent, baby. Hey, you want me to hold it, Tyler?
Yeah, but yeah. The lowest setting, right? This is 30 feet away, right?
Fuck yeah.
Calibrate 30 feet away.
Are you calibrating 30 feet away, Tyler? How far do you got to go up?
Yeah, we gotta check the drawing, which I just gave you back.
Call him. I can call him. He's in his car. He can calculate it. Good morning, sir. Good. We're here to build the wall. Give us 2-3 days. We'll be out of your hair. If we cause you any trouble, you just come out and yell at us on the balcony, and we'll stop.
Yell at me.
Just yell at him, okay? All right.
You guys, they don't know me.
Yeah. We'll try to cause you no trouble, my friend. We'll try to cause you no trouble, my friend. But we should be 2-3 days. Okay? Awesome. Thank you, sir. You want me to call Jack for the cut for the base? Hey Jack, what's the cut from the sill for bottom of base? What's the cut from sill for the bottom of the base? Let's hope there's at least some significant cut. No, it's muddy from the rain. So we're hoping that we can cut this. Like, give me bottom of gravel from sill. I want bottom of gravel, because that's what we have to excavate to.
What's top of gravel? I can figure it out.
He's sitting in a car. He can figure it out. Yeah. 2.88 meters. Yeah. Tyler, you got to go up 2.88 on the stick. 2.88 gives you bottom of gravel at the corner. We're at 45s. Is the stick long enough? You got a big enough stick or what?
Yeah, it's got more stick to it.
Extend the stick, Tyler. We need more stick. What's the thickness of gravel in inches? Oh, it's 2.86, Tyler.
Hey, Ray, come help me, please.
Okay, I got it. It works out to 8 inches of gravel, Tyler.
2.8.
2.86.
6 is right at here.
You want me to bring the
10 foot 8.5.
10 foot 8.5? All right, thanks, Jack. Okay. Oh, hold on.
Whoa. I just put that upside down.
He says 2.76 down.
Okay, so that's excavation.
That's 10 cents down. Yeah. There's a whole fucking truckload of A gravel coming. So it's bang on.
It's soaked up.
Yeah, so you're gonna have to just pull out the mud. So basically the excavation is bang on. It's just, you've got to expand the excavation on the one end where the 45 is and then get the water out. Yeah.
Good. The best. Yeah.
So we just got to get the water out. So we're good, Jack. Thanks.
Okay, so this one here.
Okay, bye.
Like, this is the back of the wall, right?
That's the face of wall is to the property line. The wall has to be on. You can't build the wall off the property.
Right.
So if you were to pull a string from bar to bar, that's front face of wall.
Okay.
And I think on the drawing the wall goes up vertical because it's not big.
Bang, 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 bang.
And then it's going to turn there. That's where you put your 45s in. There's pre-cut 45s.
This way. This way. But this has to be, what did he say, 2 point something meters? Almost 3 meters of backfill.
Yeah, it has to be 3.75 backfill. But that's from front face. Let me call Jack and say how thick, because I bet this is dug out wide enough, Tyler.
I expect it right close. 2 meters. From pin.
But
Did they got a little bit more? 2.7. I gotta check the drawing, I just said it.
Jack's got it, and it's not going to be soaking wet in the car.
We can't hit these ones, right?
The bars.
Okay, and the other bar is here.
That bar is the most important up there. The little one.
Here.
The little pin. That's the property bar.
This one here. This the Quito one? Bang. Bang, bang. We should get some spikes. The string line will lay
Jack,
it. And then this one.
what's the thickness of backfill from back of wall?
Back backfill is about right here.
3.75 meters? Okay.
Yeah. We gotta cut this
0.375 is the thickness of backfill?
like that, maybe.
So it's 375 millimeters, 0.375. That's how thickness the backfill is. So 2 meters is logs, right? You're saying it's, what is that in like inch? Can you do like some kind of random conversion for me? And
375 mil?
375 millimeters,
That's almost 4 meters.
0.375.
0.375, okay.
It's 15 inches of backfill.
Oh, fuck all.
That's all?
Don't you want to grab that?
It has to go back to the same backfill.
9 inches.
Okay, I get it. So Tyler, the first blocks are wide, so there's only 15 inches. But when you put the second blow of blocks in, the thinner blocks, it still has to go back to fit the other one.
Right.
So that's why it'll be really long there. Okay, thanks, Jack. Okay, all right, but so from the first row, you got 15 inches back for backfill.
Okay.
And then when you switch to the smaller blocks, the backfill still has to go back that far. So it'll get the thickness of a block plus the 15 inches. Yeah, this is pretty good on height though.
Oh, they did a good job.
Someone did a really good job excavating this, considering like normally this is fucking totally shit. This guy did a great fucking job just cleaning out that bank a bit.
Got the main drag all tore up.
Yeah, I know, it's screwed up, right?
Yeah, fuck, I had to
Try
go,
being from Oshawa and coming here. It's all messed up.
I had to go all the way around.
Thanks, brother.
Yeah, this used to be an old, well, I would say gravel pit. We used to haul gravel out of here for four wheels. Four wheels now is buffering over there. It's just all sand. It used to be.
Sand and rocks.
They used to haul the sand because it was a special sand that there.
Oh, okay, yeah.
I think they milked it dry.
They milked it.
They got it all.
Are you coming back with the HPB?
I got no idea.
Okay, because there's a load of HPB coming back too. Maybe you could radio them and let them know the address is wrong. That the address is really 146. What is it?
Yeah, it's 146.
146 Eva.
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you, brother.
Thanks.
Have a great day. Perfect.